Have you ever wondered why computer keyboards aren't in alphabetical order? The story takes us back to the dawn of the typewriter in the 1870s. These early contraptions had a major flaw. Type too fast, and the metal arms pressing letters against the ink ribbon would tangle, creating a frustrating mess. The typewriter's inventor, a man named Christopher Sholes, decided to tackle this jamming issue. His solution? A layout that would slow typists down just enough to prevent these jams. He scattered the most frequently used letters far apart. This created the QWERTY layout, with Q and P sitting in opposite corners. This jumbled layout worked surprisingly well. It prevented jams, and over time, typists adapted to become fast on QWERTY. When the electronic age swept in, the QWERTY layout held its ground. Why? Because millions of people had already learned to type on it. Changing the layout would have meant retraining everyone, a daunting task. The QWERTY layout wasn't the most logical design, but it became the standard. The story of keyboard layouts doesn't end with QWERTY though. There are alternatives designed for speed and efficiency, but QWERTY's reign continues, a testament to our ingenious, if quirky, solutions to technological challenges. So the next time your fingers dance across the keys, remember the fascinating history of QWERTY. It's a story of human innovation and the power of habit, all under your fingertips.